I'm gonna be showing you step by step how I use the dark brown Bottox expert. These are the items you're gonna need: a mixing bowl, gloves, a hair dryer, and a flat iron. As you can see, my hair is a little dry and a bit frizzy. So here's the mask. As soon as I opened it, it smelled delicious. I couldn't help but smelling it over and over again. The first step is to wash your hair. Then you start to apply the mask all over your hair. Here I'm using the brush from the mixing bowl. And then you leave it for 20 to 40 minutes. The next step is to rinse your hair and then use the blow dryer. Here I'm using a brush dryer from Amazon. I can already feel the difference. And finally, I use the flat iron. This is a treatment for long-lasting balance. It gives you a deep hydration and smoothing effect, keeping the hair aligned, nourished, strong, healthy, and frizz-free. Look how shiny and healthy it looks. It feels amazing, super soft and strong.